Hello. Today I'd like to speak with marine fabricators and marine shop owners specifically about why they might want to consider using Recacril. Recacril is, in our company, Recasens, is a vertically integrated company. That means we handle things from beginning to end. We import big bales of solution dyed acrylic fiber, and we can do everything else in-house. We card the fabric, spin the yarn, warp, weave the fabric, finish it, and coat it in all sorts of different ways to yield different properties for our fabrics, and then warehouse it and distribute it all over the world. It all starts with the yarn, and these are our two yarn manufacturing facilities in northern Spain, close to the French border. From there, that yarn goes to where it all started for us, down in Tarragona, where our first mill was built in 1886. Over the decades, the mill kept expanding and expanding, adding building after building, until we've grown to where we are today. Now we even have outbuildings where we store our yarn and finished fabric. But doing everything through one supply chain, all owned by Recasens, allows us to control the whole manufacturing process. That makes it more economical for us to do it, but even more importantly for you, it allows us to control every facet of the production stages so that we can make sure that the quality of your fabric is second to none. And to make sure we do it consistently, everything's documented, and we are a ISO 9001 certified mill. So even though we're working out of some old buildings, the machinery inside and the way we do things is very modern and state of the art. And one of the key things we do that's different than our biggest competitor is that we spin our yarn just a little bit smaller than theirs, but then we pack more yarns in per square inch to get a denser weave. What that does for us is it yields a fabric that's tighter and it has fewer pinholes in it. So one of our competitors' fabric is shown backlight on the left side there, and then our fabric is on the right, backlit, with the same intensity of light, but you can see a lot less light goes through, which indicates fewer pinholes. That nice dense weave never goes away the whole life of the fabric and provides you with protection and extra benefits for the life of the fabric, including water column ratings. That comes from the density of the weave and the finish of the fabric. And over time, finishes can wear off. You can reapply it, but they do wear down. But that dense weave never goes away and provides you long-term protection. Also, with our company spinning our own yarns, weaving our own fabrics, you'll find that with the quality yarn that we use and the equipment we use and the trained technicians, you'll see a very low flaw rate. And that'll be great for your production efficiency and the quality of your end product. As you're working with the fabric, you'll find all kinds of other benefits as well. When you lay it out on your table, you can feel that dense weave and you'll see that the fabric has beautiful lay flat. It's beautiful to cut. It's very nice to sew with very little puckering, even when you're sewing across the fabric. And then once you make your end product, you'll find that it keeps its shape and form over time. One of the benefits of the way we weave our fabric and finish it is that we have excellent dimensional stability. And what that means is that it just doesn't shrink or stretch much over time. So when you're cutting your fabric and preparing it for installation, don't undercut it because it's not going to stretch on you. So cut it to the size you need it to be. And it shouldn't grow on you over time like some other brands do. So fit it right and it should look great for a long time to come. Now, Recasen's offers our fabric at a great value, but it's not a cheap fabric. We consider Recacril a premium performance fabric. And one of the ways we prove that is that we test every color we produce for its UPF rating. And Recasen's, our Recacril fabric, receives a certified UPF rating of 50 plus on all our fabrics. That means that you can stay out in the sun 50 times as long being protected by Recacril, standing under it, as opposed to your skin being directly exposed to the sunlight. In addition to show the dedication and confidence we have in our fabric, we also offer a 10-year limited warranty. And that warranty is Recacen, backed by Recasens, and I manage all claims myself and will deal with those claims on a very prompt and professional basis. So next time you're looking to do a project out of solution dyed acrylic, give Recasens a try. We think you'll be very pleased you did.